Next up, the Gaia Cliff Monolith, Weapon Crate, and Mystical Crate. Let's speak about it. Coming into this place, there's some really angry AI, so just to keep your wits about you, but to get the Weapon Crate, you'll need to head all the way in by following the main entrance down at the south over here, all the way up, across, and into the mountain right over here. When you drive into this, you'll find tons of AI in the area, but heading all the way across, you'll need to head all the way around this piece, so next to this hole here, all the way around to the other side, and you'll eventually find all the way here, this bright light, and just past it, right over here, you'll find this. This is the Weapon Crate, but as you can see, it's surrounded by branches. All you need to do is pull out a Molotov or something like that and throw it at it. That's it. As soon as the Molotov touches the ground, it'll burn the branches and you'll get access to the weapons crate that is right here. Now let's go ahead and get to the rift anchor. For this, head back around the centerpiece and down here at the very bottom of this chasm, you'll find the rift right over there. Hit F to activate it and bam, we're done with that. Now the mystical crate. For this, we'll head out and we'll keep heading up. We'll come out this, head around the side here, all the way, then up the back piece over here, all the way up, heading along the ridge until we get to the big monolith up here. We'll head pretty much straight towards it and you'll reach this fence. We'll need to go around it until we can get in. And up here, you'll find the teleporter. So heading all the way around, we'll activate the teleporter here. And in order to get our mystical crate from this teleporter up here, we'll need to look down this hill and you should immediately see the red box over there on top of the building that I think is labeled 3. We drove past it on our way up, I think. Anyways, there's a couple of different ways that we can get to it. There's a more official way, but this is the easiest way to get to that crate over there. We'll parachute over to it, and there we go. We've now landed on top of the building. We can loot the crate, and just like that, we've now completed this area by grabbing the mystical crate. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and good luck on the boss fight. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.